In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set an expiration date in Jotform Sign. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the document you want to update and click Edit to open it in the Jotform Sign editor. At the top of the page, click the Send tab. Enter the recipient's name and email address if you haven't already. If you want to secure the document, click the Access Code option and create a passcode the recipient must enter before opening the document. Next, open the Options tab. Find the expiration date setting and turn it on. Click the Date field and choose the expiration date from the calendar. You can also set a specific expiration time if needed. To help recipients sign before the deadline, enable reminder emails and choose how often reminders should be sent until the document expires. When everything is configured, return to the Recipients tab, review your settings, and click Send to Sign. Your document will now expire automatically on the date and time you selected, preventing recipients from signing it after the deadline. That's how to set an expiration date in Jotform Sign. Thanks for watching.